that whatever you feel during this session is okay for you. So just allow yourself to experience whatever comes or whatever doesn't. When the moon is full, it is in perfect alignment with the sun, so that it is reflecting a filtered light towards you and the earth below. Many cultures across all times believe that the full moon each month cleanses all that it touches. Allow yourself to become cleansed today, removing any old stuck negative energies, becoming fresh and renewed for the new month ahead. Begin to breathe deeply once more. The slower you inhale, the more fully you can breathe. The slower you exhale, the more relaxed you become. Inhale, cleansing energy. Exhale, relaxing. Inhale, feel the full moon beaming above you. Exhale, relax. Inhale, imagine the moon round and full. Exhale, relaxing. Inhale, see the moon shining so brightly that it is almost hard to look at. And exhale into deeper relaxation. The rays of the moon are beginning to cleanse you, starting on the surface of your skin. Feeling how impurities and toxins are slowly moving, becoming loose and flowing. The moon is high above you, but it feels so close. Your skin is being cleansed by the moonlight. Dropping all thoughts of your personal problems now. Feel these worries and concerns melting away under the moonlight. Each troublesome thought that arises about your life or your day, give it away to the moonlight. Feel the moon gladly taking your troubles away. Use this moment of opportunity under the full moon to let go completely. Your mind is easily clearing out old ways of thinking. This is a magical evening. Enjoy this cleansing process. Feel your body renewing in the full